Hey everyone, and welcome back. So for today's video, I am sharing with you my practice hands that I got from Red Iguana. So this is how they come in the box, like this, and it just says Red Iguana with her name, April Ryan. And the box is really pretty. It's a pretty pink color with gold foiling letters. And then the part that the hands come in is like a little marble box. And it has a pink pull tab on it to help you pull it out of the box. So let's get into this. So when you open it, it comes like this with this Baroque printed tissue paper on top. Now, I've already opened this and I've had this for like a week already. I haven't even used the hands yet. So, but I don't know, I just kept looking at them and getting a feel for them before I decided to use them. And I wanted to share them with you guys first before I use them. So you just pull off the tissue paper and they come like this. Both hands individually wrapped in these nice organza bags. So you can just pull them out. I like that they came individually wrapped like this, and then you can just keep the bags for other stuff. Like you could put a gift to someone in here or whatever. Multi-use stuff. So here is what the left hand looks like. Yeah, that's the left hand. And here is the right hand. And this bracelet and ring also came with it. Like, I didn't add it on, it was just put inside the box. So that was a nice surprise for that. And they're cute too. Nice and sparkly. Here's the ring, and this is the right hand. And there's the bracelet. And these are her newer hands where it has the cuticle pocket, which means you can just take a nail tip and slide it in instead of gluing one down to the finger and then having to either file or soak it off when you're done, which I like that very much. So if I didn't say already, I also got the posable hands, which means they have like some wire stuff inside to make the fingers bend and move. See, like that. And you can do that. Yes, but I would still be careful moving the fingers around a whole lot. So, oh, excuse me. So you don't like mess up the silicone. Yeah, so I don't want to take that chances. And if you can't already tell, I got the full hand. She also sells a half hand, which is just cut off from like right here. So it's just these 4 fingers. There's no thumb on it. And she also has a single finger, which I like. So she also sells them in 6 different colors. The color I have is called Evelyn. So I'll leave a link in the description box to the if you want to go take a look and see the hands that she has to offer. So, and I got both hands. They came in a set, which I felt like it'd probably be a little cheaper to buy both at the same time instead of buying them individually. And I thought it would just be nice to have both hands instead of one. And I wanted a full hand instead of a half hand. So she also put on her website the size tips that go in the fingers, which are sold separately. They don't come with the hands. And she does have some nail tips on her site, I believe. So you can go and check that out. Oh, and also there was free shipping with orders over 200 bucks too. So let's see, I pulled out some tips so I can demonstrate how they go in the hand. So for the thumb, it's a size 0. For the pointer finger, it's a 5. For the middle and ring finger, it's a size 4. And for the pinky, it's a size 8. So I'm going to zoom you in a little bit so I can show you how to put the nail tips in. Hold up. Please don't get the card. Okay. So here's the thumbnail. And it just slides in like that. And then you push it. It doesn't go like super deep or anything. And do be careful when putting the nail tips in so you don't like poke holes and tear it. Which I have to remind myself. And you can kind of see right here is where the nail tip stops. So I like that. And then let's continue on with the rest. So here's the index finger. See, and it's really easy to put them in, and then when you're ready, just pull them out like so. Oh, I'm so sorry. See, just pull it out, and you're ready for a new nail. So I like that idea. I do. I really like that. So also I bought the stand that goes with it. Well, not goes with it, but you can use it to hold the hand. And let me zoom back out. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's a suction cup base, and it does have a really strong suction. I tested it out already, and I will put a clip of that in this video so you can see what it's like. Okay, so here's a little clip of the hand inside the holder. I did stick it to my desk, so it's holding the hand pretty good. It's in there pretty good. And then this is really like stuck to my desk. Like you can't just like pull on it and it comes off, which is a good thing for when you are using it. So that means like it won't fall over or something like that while you are using your hand. So just be careful because it is a suction cup. You don't want it to get like super dirty because that can affect how it sticks, because that happened to me when I used it earlier. Like my desk had a lot of dust on it. I said dust. I mean desk had a lot of dust on it, which I didn't realize. So when I stuck it down, it kind of affected it. It was tipping over, but once I kind of wiped it off, or I put this, because it comes with a plastic piece on top. Once I put that back on and took it off, I guess it took some of the dust off and it was sticking really good. And then to unstick it, this is the lever. You just push this and and then just pull, and it'll lift off whatever flat surface you have it on. So here's what the hand will look like inside. Just clamp it open and stick your hand in, and that's what it looks like. So I'm super excited to have these hands and use them in my videos instead of my other hand that I have, which I still love, and I most likely will still use it as a practice hand. So I was just using it a few days ago too. So But these I feel like are a good purchase, and I'm happy with them and super excited. So yeah, that is basically all I have to share with you. Um yeah, like I said, I will leave a link to these down in the description box below, so don't forget to check that out. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at the Nail Glow Up. And I appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, peace out, y'all.